Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a October 2017 41 variant and question number 7. And topic is a coordinate geometry and this worksheet question 14. So given AB and I wrote in this order and I wrote x1, y1, but student normally write here x1, y1 here. But I changed the order so I can prove that no effect comes on the answer. So first of all, he asking midpoint. So midpoint is not a hard job. So midpoint is not a hard job. So we can find easily x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Similarly, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So I can replace the values and look at here carefully. So x1 is 2 and plus minus 3 by 2. And y1 is we have minus 2 comes and 8. So minus 2 and plus 8 divided by 2. So answer is coming negative half here. And here we got a 3 because a 6 by 3 by 2 is got a 3. So midpoint is coming very clear, minus half, comma 3. So first part is very clear. Second part is asking equation of line through AB. So I will go for equation of line. And what is method? We have points given. I will find out first gradient. So gradient, you know, formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You can see the pattern of values I wrote here. Okay. So it is giving it is giving me what answer over here. So for example, the answer is coming here is 10 in the numerator minus 5 here. Ultimately, I'm getting negative 2. But game is not finished. Y is equals to mx plus c. I can use any one point in the place here to put x and y to get c value. Anyone. You can use anyone. You can use anyone. So that is why I will use this one a coordinate. I'm using a coordinate. So in the place of y, I'm putting 8. In the place of m, I'm putting negative 2. In the place of x, I am putting minus 3. I repeat. So this is the value I'm using. You can hear, okay? So this 8 is a y value, and this minus 3 is a x value, okay? And plus c. So this is becoming 6. 6 goes there, and c becomes 2. This is my answer. So ultimate answer comes y is equals to mx plus c. So minus 2x and plus 2. This is my answer for part number 2. So part number B. Okay. Part B, okay. So let's talk about the C part and D part. So C part, I'm writing here, C part. He's asking another line is parallel to AB and passes through 0, 7. So it means the line is different and part, let's say this point lies 0, 7, because lines are parallel. I'm writing here, lines are parallel. When lines are parallel, okay, so they have same gradient. So it means what is gradient there? Negative 2 comes same here because according to plan, they have same gradient. But I can find a c, y is equal to mx plus c. So this 7 comes here. This 7 comes here and in the place of y. So negative 2 and x value is 0. So and c is this one. So 7 is equals to 0 plus c and c becomes 7. So ultimately answer becomes y is equals to minus x and plus c. I hope so you got the idea very, very clear. Yes, Safia, is the same answer you got it?
Yes, sir, the same.
Yes, students. So we have to do last part D, okay, of just 17 June. And he said that AB and AB gradient we have already. This I'm doing D part. And AB gradient is what? AB gradient we have negative 2 already, we know it. But he said find equation perpendicular to AB. So you know as lines are perpendicular, so gradient become what? Negative reciprocal. And let me show you. Negative 2 has nothing, so it means it has a 1. And when I flip, 1 comes up, 2 comes down, so become this. and sign become change. You know very well. So half. So gradient becomes positive half. So I'm writing here positive half. So that is very clear. And now I'm going to do it and use this point 1 5. So I'm going to use 1 5. Okay, so formula y is equal to mx plus c. In the place of y, I'm going to put 5. In the place of x, I'm putting 1. In the place of m, I'm putting half. So simple plan. 5 is equals to half times to 1 plus c. And 5 is equals to half plus c. And 5 minus half is equals to c. Take LCM, 2 5s are 10 minus 1. So C becomes 9 by 2. And I'm going to finish my question here. So Y is equals to mx plus C, mx plus C. But now, how to guide, what is gradient? You got it half. I will not put this gradient here. No, wrong, wrong. I will use this gradient and this C value here. So I'm going to finish my question. So half is a half x and C is a plus 9 by 2. Now I can do one thing. I can do one thing. Take LCM, and because two LCM and because this two match, so I can write x. This 2 and 2 match. I can write 9, and this 2 can multiply there. So I got a 2y is equal to x plus 9. I bring this x here. So minus x plus 2y and equals to 9. I bring 9 as well here. Okay. So it becomes negative, and which is a perfectly match the format what is given here. He needs actually 0 on the right hand side, and I have a 0 on the right hand side. I think so. Idea is very, very clear. But now some students can ask me, sir, so can I make this first term positive? Okay, I'm writing or here, or multiply whole equation by minus 1. This minus term become positive. This positive term become negative, and negative term become positive is equal to 0. So it means both answers are valid. If you write this one or you write this one, both are correct, because he did not mention at all here. Sometime, he mentioned that A is positive. When he say A is positive, then you are bound to give this answer. But now he did not mention here what A is positive or negative. A means X coefficient. So X coefficient, sometime he can tell us positive or negative, but not mentioned here. So that is why we can take any value. Both are correct answers. And that's it. Question fully finished.